Hello, hi, welcome to my channel once again. So today I'm going to be preparing barbecue chicken wings. So it's summer and it's the season of barbecue, but we don't really need summer to eat barbecue, do we? So I've already washed the wings and I've cut them up. So I cut the drummet from the flap and some of it I've left them together, as you can see. So I'm going to start seasoning the wings and I'll be using onion powder, garlic powder, chicken powder, white wine vinegar and soy sauce. So what the white wine vinegar does is that it gives it this mild tang and it brings all the seasonings together and it's not overpowering at all. So I'm going to mix this together and cover it and leave it to marinate for an hour. You can leave it for longer. The longer you leave it, the more the taste will intensify because the wings will absorb the seasonings more. So after an hour, I'm just going to mix this together to make sure that it is moist, and then I'll add baking soda. This will give it that crispiness when it's baking in the oven. So I'm going to arrange this on the oven rack and put it in the oven to roast for 10 minutes on each side at 180 degrees. So while the wings are in the oven, I'm going to go ahead to prepare the barbecue sauce. And for this, I need ketchup, honey, smoked paprika, ginger powder, soy sauce, sesame oil, 5-spice seasoning, and I'll be adding some chili powder just to give it that bit of heat, so it's not much. So I'm going to mix all this together until it is well combined. Where I'm making a very rich and tasty barbecue sauce for these wings. So like I mentioned earlier, I'm just adding a little bit of chili powder to give it a touch of heat, but you can leave this out if you don't like your wings to be hot. It's a very small amount though. So the barbecue sauce is looking so rich and so flavorful. So after the first 10 minutes, I'm going to flip the wings on the other side and put it in the oven for another 10 minutes. So this is how the wings looks after the second 10 minutes, and I'm just going to place this into the sauce and mix it together until every single wing is thoroughly coated in the barbecue sauce. So I usually don't like my barbecue wings dripping with sauce, so I'm going to place this back in the oven rack and pop it in the oven for another 10 minutes. So this will allow the sauce to really stick onto the wings. So while that is baking, I'm scraping the remainder of the sauce into a bowl. I'll add a little oil, then pop it in the microwave for 40 seconds. What this does is that it really intensifies the flavor of the barbecue sauce and it takes it to another level. And I'll be using this to glaze the barbecue wings when it's ready. So I'm going to go ahead and glaze the barbecue wings, and you can see how it looks before I started to add the glaze to it, and you can see the transformation that's just happened. So the wings they are all ready and looking so nice and appetizing. So I'm just going to garnish with some sesame seed. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you keep getting my videos when I post them. I'll see you next time. Bye.